Hey guys, my name's Dr. Daniel Say. It's a lovely sunny day up here on the North York Moors, and I'm here visiting our UK DECC Network site, Bilsdale. Towers behind me. Bilsdale's situated just south of Middlesbrough on the northeast coast of England. We've been measuring greenhouse gases here since 2014, and I can tell you it is rarely this sunny. Bilsdale is our highest UK DECC Network site, both in terms of metres above sea level and in terms of our inlet height. So this is the tallest tower we have instrumentation situated at, and our highest inlet here is 248 metres above sea level. I'm here today and all week to analyse round robin tanks, which will help form an intercomparison between the measurements we make here at Bilsdale and the other sites in the network and affiliated stations both in the UK and across northwest Europe. So let me show you around. Hey guys, so I'm now at the base of the Bilsdale Tower. Bilsdale's a little different to some of the other towers across the network in that it's got a closed structure, which essentially means a large enclosed tube that people have to wriggle up the middle of. We have three inlet heights here, 248 metres, which as I mentioned is the highest across the entire network. We also have inlets at 108 metres and 42 metres. The sampling setup here is very similar to other sites, so we have long sample lines made of Decabond tubing, which is a plastic aluminium composite very resistant to corrosion. Then we have inlet cups at each inlet height that prevent the vast majority of liquid water getting into our sample lines, and also water traps at the very base of the tower at the lowest point of the whole setup to capture any residual liquid water that could in theory damage our instruments if it gets into the lab. These lines after the water trap are then ran around the trunking in the compound and into our lab, which is on the other side of the complex. I'll show you this next. Hi again, so here I am at the entrance to the Bilsdale lab. It's quite small because of the amount of kit we've got in there, and it's also quite noisy due to the amount of pumps we have running and the instruments themselves. So I will give you a quick glance through the door and then I'll talk you through it. So that was the inside of the Bilsdale lab. We have three instruments operating here, and they've been doing so since 2014. We have a GCMD, which measures nitrous oxide and sulfur hexafluoride, and two commercial Picara instruments, a G2401, which measures carbon dioxide, methane and carbon monoxide, and a G5310, which measures nitrous oxide and carbon monoxide. So these measurements, along with the measurements from the rest of the UK DECC network, feed back to the University of Bristol. There we combine them with some atmospheric modelling and some clever inverse statistics to infer UK greenhouse gas emissions. And we've been doing that here at Bilsdale since 2014. I hope you've enjoyed this short tour, and yeah, here's hoping the sun stays out. Cheers guys.